Hello and welcome to a room tour video at the Gabriel Hotel on Beach Drive, Miami, which is part of the Hilton Curio Collection. So here we have a standard king room, and you can see a very nice looking bed here. I like these surrounds. It kind of makes you feel almost encapsulated in there. I quite like those, and it just brings it all together and makes it all neat. Two side tables here. This one has telephone, and this is quite cool. It's just a notepad you can make notes on rather than using paper, and then you can just wipe it afterwards and use it again. A couple of features, it's really nice, bright room as you'd expect in Miami. You've got a switch there, which is to control your ceiling fan. You don't really need it because the aircon in here is very good, but it is nice to have that if you like a down breeze on you. Speaking of the aircon over here, it's tucked away in there. It is a bit noisy, so I'm speaking a bit louder to hopefully drown it out, but it's also on a high fan. But as I said, works really well, especially in the incredibly hot and humid conditions of Miami. And you can see outside the weather is, well, it's wet, and when it's wet, it makes it more humid. This is room 3514, so we're on the third floor. And we do have a sea view from here, just round to the side. This building here also belongs to the hotel. And on the top floor, there is the other pool that belongs to this building, this hotel. The main pool being the one just down below us there. For the rest of the room, you've got a couch, another side table and lamp. Then as we swing around, as we're looking towards where the bed is facing, we have our TV and also our mini bar items here. It's a full mini bar, as you'd expect, mini bar prices, not cheap. Also have your coffee machine here. I'm not sure, let me just check. There is no price of the coffee on the list, so hopefully that is complimentary. And then some additional storage drawers in here. There we go. And your main mini fridge just down there. Okay. We've just checked in. Check-in was absolutely fine. Only a couple of people ahead of us, and there was no issue with any hold-ups. There's no parking directly, or no self-parking on site. You have to valet park. I'll pop the price on the screen now because it escapes me. But you pull up outside the hotel and then they'll just sort it out for you. Coming back to the main entrance, we've got the aircon control panel there, and then a closet to the side, wardrobe. And open that up, and actually got a lot of space in there. So there's an additional robe there, as well as the one on the bed. Beach towels you have here as well, which you can use for the pool. You've got your safe, umbrella, which is needed in Miami. Ironing board, and a full-length mirror there. So again, this is looking back at the room. It is a very nice room. I do like this. Price-wise, we didn't actually pay for the room. It was used. We used Hilton points for this one, just for the one night. And nice high ceilings as well. And then take us round into the bathroom. And then coming round into the bathroom, it's a very nice, well-appointed bathroom. Small as with the room, but again, it's very clean. Got everything you need. Your towels, your decent-sized mirror there, and your and all your soaps and shampoos included from a company called Further. Got a good-sized shower head. And your hairdryer. And there we go, there is the room tour of this hotel. very well positioned on Ocean Drive. You know, as I said, the beach is right out front. Loads of bars and places to go all around here. So absolutely recommend this place and would happily stay here again, which we are, to be fair, in 2 weeks. So there we go. Hope you enjoyed this room tour. If you did, if you're still watching, please hit that thumbs up, whether you're watching on your desktop, TV or phone. It helps us out immensely. Any questions, please leave below. We answer all of them. And until next time, we'll see you then.